Alright, so I'm in Vermont, the cabin, and I'm gonna be doing a ride on the quad for everyone. So it's snowing the hardest it's been snowing all day right now. I gotta hurry because it won't take long before the snow is too deep for my plow to even be useful. The ring camera is encased in ice. It's facing the wrong direction, that's why. Alright, how's it going, everyone? I am in Halifax, Vermont, in an awesome snow band, so check it out. It's snowing pretty darn heavy right now. This is a nice classic southern Vermont heavy snow band. Gotta love it. I'm gonna take a walk down the driveway here. Hopefully not fall. Never mind. Never mind, I just fell. Oh, this is gonna be great. Okay. Yeah, it's a pretty high snowbank here. Property protected by Bigfoot. Yeah. Yep. That's my weird ass. So let's take a walk down the driveway here, which was just plowed this morning, and looks like a couple inches already back on it, maybe more. Oh yeah, this is really cool. The roof, when I had this thing built, I wanted to make sure that the roof just got rid of the snow, and boom. Of course, the porch roof hangs on to a little bit more because there's less of a pitch there, but here we go. Nice day for a walk. As I almost just fell again. Oh man. This is how I'm gonna go, you know. It's gonna be in a friggin' video. That's gonna make it go viral. It's gonna be like, weather geek falls on his ass, begging, screaming for help. No. I should get my snowshoes out. That's actually what I should be doing. Bought them 2 years ago. I haven't even used them yet. That's for another trip. This is cool. All right, gonna go back up. Those power lines are bouncing. That's not good. We had a couple short power outages already this morning, but only for like a minute at a time. Last time it snowed more than a foot. Lost power for about 15, 16 hours. Whew. This bad boy's been working pretty good for me so far. Damn. Here's a little path I have in the property. Really heavy. Whoa, don't fall again. So this is cool. Ducking around heavy snow weighted branches down. Holy crap. Beautiful. Gotta love this.
Awesome. I mean, it's cool.
All right, I'm gonna turn around and go back now because I got some work done. But I gotta make sure I can get back to the freaking shed. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed my ridiculous video of the snow. And if you enjoy these types of videos, make sure to follow me on YouTube. I have a page with all sorts of random stuff, including weather. So, alright, I'll see y'all later.